Hello everybody, I'm here to show you how I make my 3D text through Pixellab. Pixellab give you the opportunity to design your font the way you want, and I'll be using this and it has been working for me, and I believe it works for everyone. You can see different templates for what I've done. Look at the one I did last. Watch out for inclusive interviews of brands, products and services coming soon on Dartizit channel. Okay, I'm using this medium to tell you people that you can choose whatever template that suits your work. You can see, wow, lovely background. You can see, wow, lovely. You can see and you can see. I use this for my previous project. Okay, so you can use this, you can use this, anyone that goes for you. Okay, wow, I think I saw one I have to go for. Wow, it's so lovely. Wow. Okay, let's start now. For you to get to know how I used to do my font graphics, this is what I do. You just have to click on the font here. Okay, then you click text, right? Then you edit. You see what you're about to edit right here. Then you have to erase this. Okay, you have to erase this. What you put there is, let me, for instance, I put my name there, Paskid Dartizit. Okay, then you press on OK. Then and after that, see what we got there now. Whoa. Okay, fine. Seems like it doesn't work the way we want. See what you do, you tap on this, then you press on edit. Then the next thing, then you type your word, Paskid Dartizit. Then you press OK. Then when you press on OK, you're gonna see that the font is gonna appear there. Can you see? Wow, it's so lovely. Paskid Dartizit. You know, I can still control this. Where to do this. Let me say on 3D shadow. Let me control this on over 3D shadow. Okay, I can bring it down. No, it's not working. Okay, let me go to what is this? What is this? Oh, it's no opacity. What is this? Oh, it can be 3D shadow and reflection. I think it's reflection. The reflection, I think you have to put off the reflection. I think it's reflection. I put it off now. Can you see that? It really looks good like this. Okay, then what again? Let me say it. I can put it, I can emboss it, or I put shadow. Okay, inner shadow. You can see, you click on this to apply your inner shadow. You can change the color to white, red, black, to whichever color. Okay, look at this. Look at red. I think this is fine. Then you click OK. Then I can also add shadow. Shadow also there. I can stroke it, I can line space it, then background I can copy it as I like. You see? Can you see that? You see that it's so lovely? Wow, then you can change the size. Okay, you can check on the size. You can reduce on the size like this. Can you see that? Then you bring it back. you can change on the position. Okay, look at the position right now. You can click on the position, you can bring it like this or like this. Oh, I think like this is okay. Then like this. Okay, fine. Then you click on OK. Then you can submit your work. Save as image. Save as image. Don't forget to save as ultra or export as asset. No transparency. Then save to gallery. Save already. Image save. That is it. This is how I make my font with Pixellab. You too can try one. You can be creative more than I do, but I believe it's gonna be better than the one I have done just now. Thank you so much. You can subscribe to my channel, Dartizittv channel. This is what I do for a living, and you can support me. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.